Leaving your server open to the internet is one of the easiest ways to get hacked. With IP whitelisting in CloudRaptor, you can restrict access to only trusted IP addresses, blocking unwanted traffic at the firewall level. This is especially useful for protecting SSH access, admin panels, staging environments, and internal tools. Here's how to whitelist your IP. Step 1. Go to Servers from your dashboard. Step 2. Select your server. Step 3. Open the Firewall tab. Now locate the rule for the service you want to secure. For example, SSH on port 22. Edit the rule or create a new one. Enter port 22, select TCP as the protocol, and add your trusted IP address in CIDR format. For a single IP, use something like 203.0.113.10/32. If you currently allow access from anywhere, shown as 0.0.0.0/0, you should remove that rule for sensitive services like SSH. This ensures only your trusted IP can access the server. To find your public IP, simply search "What is my IP" in your browser, or run the command curl ifconfig.me. Then add /32 to whitelist only your device. Before removing unrestricted access, always test your connection. If your IP is incorrect, you could lock yourself out of your server. Once configured, only approved IPs can access your server, unauthorized attempts are blocked, and your system becomes significantly more secure. That's how you protect your server using IP whitelisting in CloudRaptor.